right, Dr. Blumenthal back here in the DC office with Natural Transplants. Today we have our new friend, Jim. Jim, welcome, man.
Thank you.
Thank you for doing this and helping everybody today. I know you said it helped you, so you kind of want to give back, and we appreciate that. If you wouldn't mind sharing with everybody what brings you in today and how you found us too.
I found you all through a Google search,
Okay.
and then talked it over with my hair person who actually really wants to come check out the procedure today.
Yeah.
But I'm here because I'm in the performing arts, and it's been concerning slowly losing hair. So I'm here for more hair.
Got it. You got to have the long hair if you're performing in front of people. I'm gonna have Zane zoom in. So obviously recession of the hairline, family trait. We're going to build out the hairline. Obviously, you want it to look natural. You want it to look age appropriate. So, we're not going to bring it down to his eyebrows by any means. And then I'm going to have you look down for me a little bit. And then we also got the crown as well too. So we're going to go for a plus today, fill it in as much as we can. We'll draw everything out, come back and say hi to you after it's all drawn out. Sounds good?
Sounds great.
Awesome. All right. We are back. This actually is Jim. He decided to shave his head. You do not have to do that. Okay. Just making that clear. We drew the line, put in the temples. I think it looks awesome. Nice and natural, but a youthful version of Jim. And then we shaved what we needed to. It was not a good look for him, and he just preferred to shave the whole thing. So, but again, you don't have to do that. You feeling all right?
Yeah.
Cool. We got a couple of Valium on board. We're going to head next door, start the case, and we'll check in with you a little later.
Sounds
cool.
Good.
Awesome. All right, Jim, we have made it. Congratulations. You have completed the day. How'd it go?
I have. It went very well.
Yeah.
I thought the team was great.
Awesome.
Not a lot of pain. And the expectations that were set up in advance were pretty spot on. So
good.
Feeling really good.
Awesome. We had a lot of fun today. It was good. You slept a little bit, little nap, but it wasn't bad at all. Let me zoom in just to kind of show what we did today. I'm really excited that I love the line on you. We've got the nice temple work. It's going to look nice and natural on you. Not too much. Sometimes subtlety is best. Up top, and then I'm going to look at the back here, the crown. We got the crown in there as well too. So awesome. We got your little friend gallery behind you here. Any words of advice? Anybody kind of on the fence, debating whether to do it or not? What would you recommend? What would you tell them?
I would say do it if you're thinking of doing it. I canceled 3 times to get here, and I'm glad I'm here.
The 4th time's a charm.
Yep.
Yeah, very good. I appreciate you. Thank you for doing this. Welcome to the family. Hopefully we'll kind of track you along the way, and we'll see you in a year.
Yep.
All right, man. Thanks.
All right, thank you.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.